See, from All-Star Case Breaks, we're doing 2017 Optic Mega for Jeff. Good luck. Come on, let's hit you a Mahomes here. Mahomes and Watson in the same box. Haven't seen that yet. Big Sky, good afternoon. Foreman, rookie Phenom. Humphrey, Josh Reynolds, Kareem Hunt. Red and yellow, rated rookie. Oh, nice. Gridiron Kings, there's your Mahomes. Rookie Gridiron Kings. Good pick on the box. Ryan, Carlos Henderson. Oh, man. Two Mahomes, aka. Congrats, Jeff. Yeah. Back-to-back Mahomes. Chad Williams, that's like Prizm Optic. Dory Jackson, Corey Davis, Deshaun Watson, Hassan Reddick, Bucky Hodges. Jeff, congrats, man. Nice box. Watson and two Mahomes. Some other decent rookies, too. Sticker? Okay. Keep that because we've got one more. Good luck, Jeff. No more shipping, man. You're good. 92's good. There's a McCaffrey. Khalil Mack out of $2.99. Blue Prizm. Leonard Fournette. Mike Williams. Kenny Golladay. Rookie Phenom. Christian McCaffrey rookie. Cooper Kupp. Julio Jones, Gridiron. Deontay Foreman, Prizm, and Ricky Williams. And Trubisky rookie. Excuse me. Jeff, thank you. I got one more if you want it or anybody else does. The first one was better, I think, obviously.